Whether camping, fishing, hunting, or just simply barbecuing in the backyard, the Cascade Mountain Tech Super Cooler will keep your food and beverages chilled to perfection. When we set out to design our super coolers, durability and longevity were our main goals. We wanted to build coolers that could handle whatever was thrown at them. Our coolers are built with an ultra-tough rotomolded construction, freezer-quality lid gaskets, and up to 3 inches of foam-insulated walls. On top of this, we've even had our super coolers certified as bear-resistant by the Interagency Grizzly Bear Committee. To keep your food safe from bears, be sure to use cooler locks on both ends of your cooler. Each of our super coolers features heavy-duty rubber latches with molded latch keepers to keep the seal tight and secure. Durable rope handles make it easy to move the coolers around when fully loaded. Non-slip, non-marking feet help to keep them in place when you found the perfect spot. Built-in bottle openers on each side of the cooler make it easier than ever to enjoy a cold beverage on the fly. The 45-quart super cooler can hold up to 40 cans with ice and can keep ice frozen for up to 7 days. Pack it up with food and drinks for your next camping trip, or keep it on hand for easy access during backyard gatherings. The 80-quart super cooler is big enough to hold 70 cans with ice and can keep ice frozen for up to 10 days, making it ideal for larger groups or longer trips. It also doubles as a sturdy seat for 2. For optimal temperature retention, we recommend that you pre-chill your cooler overnight in a cool area by placing a bag of ice inside. If your cooler has been left in a warm location, such as a vehicle, garage, or outside in the sun, packing it without pre-chilling can lead to decreased performance. We also recommend that you pre-chill cooler contents in advance to greatly increase ice retention. Do you want to make your cooler fully loaded? Check out our additional accessory options, which include a dry goods basket to keep dry food elevated, cooler locks to help protect your food from wild critters, a detachable cup holder to keep your drinks off the dirt, and cooler dividers to keep food and drinks separated.
This is the 15-quart cooler by Grizzly. This small, hard-sided cooler is perfect for the back of your truck for all-day adventures. With all the overbuilt features you expect from a larger cooler, with Grizzly's lifetime warranty, you can't go wrong. If you're looking for a small companion hard cooler that will fit your 6-pack and plenty of ice, the 15-quart cooler by Grizzly is a perfect choice. We have designed the cooler with a locking and tie-down system so this cooler can travel anywhere. The dual handle and shoulder strap are perfect for a carry. If you're looking for a small hard-sided cooler, the Grizzly 15 is the perfect companion.